Jess from Sparkle and Sprinkle, and I'm here with this month's May 2019 multi-project kit. Now, I've got a surprise. It's kind of cool. I'm calling it a make your own adventure kit. So we have packed together a whole bunch of my favorite projects and a whole bunch of head office's favorite products into one package, and you can be as creative as you love with this month's package. It's kind of like a thank you pack. Thank you for being a subscriber. It's packed with value. It's about a $75 value. You are getting some awesome things. All right, so I have almost everything that's in the kit to show you. First up, I don't have one of them on hand, but you are going to get a random Hampton Arts stamp set. So that's going to be a surprise set, and you're also going to get a set of foam dimensionals from Nuvo. So those are going to be a surprise in your pack. You are also going to get a random jar of the Nuvo glitter accents. These are really cool. The colors may vary, so you're going to get a surprise in your kit. You are also going to get the Blue Blitz shimmer powder. If you haven't worked with shimmer powders yet, you're in for a treat. They are like watercolors with a burst of mica, so they're glittery and shimmery, and they give you beautiful watercolor effects when you work with them. I have used them a few times in our challenge group, so if you hop on there, you'll be able to see a few videos using the shimmer powders. Okay, you're going to get the Blue Blitz. Next up, you are going to get a set of the shimmer pens. So they come in a pack of 2. The glitter gloss, sorry, not shimmer pens. I call them shimmer pens, but glitter gloss. So they leave, you use them like a watercolor pen, and they leave a beautiful glittery accent behind. I use them all the time if I want to give some words a beautiful shimmer and shine. All right. You are also going to get, right along with this fancy dancy pack, you are going to get a pack of 3 of the Aquaflow pens. I really love these Aquaflow markers. Pens, they're not markers, they're watercolor. See, you can see the tip there. I have a few tips and tricks for using these. You can check out my channel, or our channel. We've posted my Aquaflow pen video on a few ways to use them. I like to use them on a palette first, and then a blank Aquaflow pen to pick up the color, mute the color, blend the colors together. Another tip is when you are going to activate these, it's going to look like this. You're going to take it apart, going to remove that little tip. You're going to put that on, and it's going to snap. Once it snaps, you're going to give it a gentle squeeze. Don't squeeze like crazy, because then your color is going to come out like everywhere, and you don't want that. Just squeeze it till it fills the chamber, and then voila, it should look nice and clean like that. And then you go to town. You have fun watercoloring, adding dimension to your projects. You are also going to get a set of the mini hybrid inks. I really like these because of the size. I can throw a whole bunch in my little handy dandy travel bag when I'm on the go, and always have some inks on hand. You can emboss with these inks. They are fast drying all surface ink, so it is a hybrid, so work fast. You can emboss with it. You can pick up the color and watercolor with it. I did a demo with that as well last week. Lots of different options for these guys. You are going to love them. And last but not least, of course, we've got to throw in some glitters. So you're going to get Gypsy Rose and Tangerine, beautiful colors of glitter, of course, are one of our signature products. So this whole choose your own adventure kit, you're gonna have a ton of fun playing with, and I hope you just love everything in there. And as a bonus, you are also gonna get our, I believe it's 4-page tips and tricks for using glitters and embossing powders, and that's gonna be included in your product pack as well. So yes, thanks again for being a member of the Multi-Project Kit Club, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great day.